All right, so here we are at the Chuckey Railroad Depot Museum. I see the railroad crossing that's flashing. It has red lights on it. And I'm going to give you a tour, because this is Neil and Marshall. So check out this railroad crossing that's right here. They got the sign that's right there. But there's no bell on this one because they don't put a bell on that railroad crossing. And there's virtual rail fan cam. That's right there. It's facing the caboose. And let's check it out. See what we got. Okay, the only thing we're going to do is just go inside the caboose. See what we got. I don't hear nothing coming yet, so look at all that stuff in here. They got like the, what is it?
Oh, what is it?
They got like a chair. Yeah, they got like seats that are in this caboose.
For the passengers to lounge.
Yeah, it's for the passengers to lounge. Then they got like a toilet. Then they got a sink. And here's the wheel that you can make the caboose to stop while you tie it down. Oh! Oh, I almost tripped over. Okay, so we can't go in through this door.
Going through this door.
We're going through this door that's right here. Let's check it out here. Here's the TV that's right there. Know if there's a train coming or what.
There is one coming.
Yeah, there's one coming. Because I'm doing the Chuckey Railroad Depot Museum. Do you know where the train is heading to?
Knoxville.
Oh, we got like a
Westbound
coming.
Westbound.
Yep, westbound coming. Here's the Southern steam locomotive. And here we got is this is a cool place to be. It's in the Chuckey Railroad Depot Museum. Oh, okay, just use inside voice. And so we got a westbound coming, so we're going to have to go out there and check it out. I don't know. I think it's like a train car, or something. Check out this. Here's a boxcar and a railroad crossing. All right. Oh, my sister's calling me, so I'm in the middle of doing the tour here. All right. There's a green signal. All right, we're gonna go outside and catch that westbound. See if it comes by. Oh, westbound. All right. Just in time. Since I was middle doing the tour of the Chuckey Railroad Depot Museum, and there's a westbound train! Woohoo! Westbound, baby! Yeah! My hand is getting tired. I have to hold my camera with my left hand. It's a cool train, baby! Uh-oh. Shoo! Sorry, there was a car behind me. I have to move over a little bit, guys. DPU! Awesome! Woo! Train is going, baby! Yeah! There's the end. Woo! That was unexpected. Since I was doing the tour and there was a westbound that was coming. That train right here is heading west.
That was a long train.
That was a long train right there. And there he goes, rounding the bend. I knew a train was coming, guys. Like my sister called me, I heard my Apple Watch ringing. And then here comes a train. That was totally unexpected. Man. All right, back to the tour. All right, let's go back to the tour here.
Let's go back to the tour.
Man, that was totally unexpected. Okay, so it's time to go back to the tour now. So the train went by, and I had to run outside, and then there was a train coming. I did not know, you guys. Man, I wasn't expecting a train. I can hear a K5LA from here. Sounds like that train is blowing the horn to the railroad crossing. Sand Valley Road, I'd say. If I'm not mistaken. Man,
That was pretty cool.
That was a cool train there, because I had to run outside and the gates started went down. Like, man, there comes a train, then I had to come back out. At least I caught it though. Okay. So right there is the Southern caboose. It says Southern right there, because it's not usable. Then we can go back inside to take a look.
Inside voice inside, right?
Yeah, just have to use my inside voice. Man, didn't know that was a westbound. That was unexpected.
How do you even read this map?
Okay, the red represents trains. The green is where the dispatcher has got him lined up, how far he can go.
Okay.
So this train here is leaving Bristol.
Yeah.
He's lined up all the way down to Piney Flats.
Okay.
This one here just passed,
Yeah.
so he's lined all the way up down to past Greenville.
How long do you think that one would take?
That will probably
To,
take.
is it gonna come down here or that?
This is the one that just went by.
Yeah. Is this one gonna
Yeah.
travel?
Yeah, it'll come down here too. It'll probably be. He's not left up there yet, so it'll probably be. I don't know how long it'll be before he leaves. So
Yeah.
when it goes red past this part, past forward here, then it's indication he's left Bristol.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Don't know how long.
Hour and a half.
Okay.
I thought I heard a horn, another.
Oh, there's a video playing in there.
Yeah, I think there's like a video that's playing.
Yeah.
I'm on camera though.
Okay.
You go in there videotape somewhere?
Yeah, just videotape some more. And they got like a bell that goes on a steam locomotive that rings. And check out this picture about right here. Right after the westbound went by. This town here is like, it's in like 1893. I got a little confused a little bit. Here's the signs right there. Bluff City, Jonesborogh, Morristown, Telford, Bulls Gap, John City, and West Sevier. Man. Wasn't expecting no train. That train gave me excitement, you guys. You can hear the TV that's playing inside. At least I kept the camera rolling. And then there was like a westbound that was coming. Ooh, check that out. What's that, Cole?
Like a secret hatch.
It's a secret hatch of wood. So if another train comes by, I'm going to have to run out again and catch the other. The one left already. And check out this, check out that picture of the high rail truck. There's like a high rail truck that's right there. There's a hand car and some high rails. That's a cool place to be, you guys. At least I didn't go out there or hear a horn, but my sister did.
But most of your time was spent straightening sections of track that have been pounded out of alignment
What's
by
that,
the
Cole?
tremendous and
You know what this is?
frequent weight of passing trains. Using 5
It says whistle sign.
bars,
Like if a
each
train
weighing over
comes
20
through,
pounds,
it starts to blow the horn or whistle.
inching the track back into line.
That train just passed us while I was doing the tour.
Coordination and timing of each man's exertion is critical.
Yeah, I was expecting no train. Ooh, oh, what's this? Hey Cole, do you know what this is? Come here. I think it says like
1906 depot scale and luggage quality.
Yeah, that's what it says. I think I can go out through this door here. Oh, what's that? What does that do? I believe it moves if I start standing on it.
such job work songs
I'd
and
say.
techniques from memory. Repeated requests to appear.
And check this out here. This is what they got in this museum. They got like pictures. There's a picture of the railroad crossing that has a mechanical bell on it. Check this out. This is a cool place to be, you guys. I'm loving this. Here's the Southern Railway Museum. That's on the wall. It says Southern Railway System. That's what it says. Like in 2021, you guys, the Southern Heritage Unit hit Boulder in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, because they had to put the Southern Heritage Unit, they had to tow it away, and then they had to put it on the siding to be repaired. They repaired it since like this year of May. Then it's back in service. It's a cool place to be here, I believe. So if we just go outside from now on, got like those cool stuff in here in that depot museum. Okay. Okay, so the westbound should depart Bristol.
Yep, still parked there.
Yeah, so how long does it take for the westbound?
I don't know, it might take a while.
Yeah. Maybe an hour and a half. But doesn't show he's left it very yet.
Yeah, he hasn't left yet. Oh, Piney Flats. Radar.
He's right over here. That's the red. That means that's the train.
Yeah, is he going to leave by now?
Well, the dispatcher's got him a signal to leave on.
Yeah, if he has like a green signal, that means he's going to leave.
Yep.
Like,
But he's not leaving yet.
like we crossed the University Parkway railroad crossing, and the signal was green.
It was.
That means there was a westbound coming also.
Yep. Thanks again.
Okay, so we already done the tour of the Chuckey Railroad Depot Museum. Then one train went by, but the other hasn't, because it's still in Bristol.
You should sign off for now, and then you'll say hi to everyone again if another train comes.
All right, so I'm going to end the video here. If another train comes by, I'll get back on. Talk to you guys later. This is Nayland Marshall on YouTube or Facebook. Sign off for now. Love you guys. Peace out. Okay guys, so Cole's gonna go down the slide since he's like tall, but he's going down the slide. So watch him as he comes out through that tunnel. Okay. So when he comes down, do not try to sound.
Are you ready?
Yeah, come down.
All right. I'm going down.
Okay, there he comes. He's coming out through that tunnel. Woo! Yeah! That was good there.
That was a good slide.
Yeah. That's a good slide, you guys. All right, guys, I'll talk to y'all in the next one. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm going to go down the slide since it's a tunnel, but I'm going to climb on those stairs and see how fast I go down on this slide. So I'm going to climb up the stairs and get through that tunnel, and then, okay, here we go. I can hold my phone. All right, here we go. Okay, do not try this at home. Here we go. Woo! Yeah! Woo! That was a good one right there. Huh? Yeah, that was a good slide, you guys. Okay, I have to end the video so Brielle's asked me something.